There are lots of reasons why I would recommend Cinnamon. Oh, we would recommend Cinnamon. She's very reliable, knowledgeable, downright nice. But she was there every step of the way. We worked with her for about 10 months. It was a long process for us, but several questions. We changed our mind several times about if we were going to build, we're going to buy, where we were going to live, what was going on. She was always there to answer all of our questions, and I probably asked a question 12 times, and she still just answered it like it was the first time I asked. So, again, she was just very honest, very pleasant, and we love her.